Fifth grade, getting ready for sixth grade. Write and evaluate expressions. Unlock the problem. Montel hires Shay to buy some tools for him at the hardware store. Montel will pay Shay $5 more than the cost of the tools she buys. How can you represent this payment as an expression? Okay, how can you use the expression to calculate what Montel will pay Shay? The problem states that Montel will pay $5 more than the cost. What operation do the words more than suggest? So are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? We are going to do addition, correct? Write an expression for what Montel will pay. Choose a variable that explains what it stands for. Let C equal the cost of the tools. Write a word expression. So $5 more than the cost. So over here, they said replace the word expression with an addition expression using C. So over here, we knew that it was going to be $5 more, and then the cost was C. So an expression that tells how much Montel owes Shay is 5 plus C. Try this. If the tools cost a total of $18, how much will Montel pay Shay? Evaluate the expression. 5 plus C, and then we're going to replace C with 18. So the expression is what? 5 plus C, right? Then replace C with 18. So 5 plus 18. Add to evaluate. So Montel will pay Shay. Oh, over here real quick. 5 plus 18 is? 23. So Montel will pay Shay $23. So basically when we do the expression and we plug in our numbers, we don't necessarily have to put labels there, but when we give our answer, we have to make sure we label, correct? Share and show. Write an expression. Tallahassee's temperature is 15 degrees less than the temperature in Miami. What operation does the phrase less than suggest? Subtraction. And then it says write a word expression. So basically, what would our word expression be? What's our degrees? Okay, so 15 degrees less than the temperature in where? Miami. Then it says write an expression for Tallahassee's temperature. Let M stand for the temperature in Miami. Remember they said use a letter that kind of represents something that you're talking about. So when we're talking about temperature and when we're talking about, we're talking about Miami. So they're using M to represent Miami. So is it going to be M first or M later?
M first.
M first. So M, we said subtraction, so minus what? 15. Evaluate the expression for Tallahassee's temperature for M equaling 90 degrees. So basically, we're going to plug 90 degrees in for M, right? So I would put what?
90 minus 15
equals
85.
No. 75. So 75 degrees. And that would be our answer. Evaluate each expression for the given or for the value given. So they said B minus 45 and they said B would be 70. So what am I going to replace B with?
70.
So 70 minus 45 equals what? If I took 5 away, I'd be at 65, right? If I took 40 away, I'd be at 25. All right, 13 plus A, and for A, it equals 40. So what am I going to write?
13 plus 40
equals 53. Okay, so you guys are going to do on your own with your partners. Make sure on form 5 you underline your information and then of course show work. And then on 6 through 11 you're going to show work and your answer after showing your work. And then we will do problem solving and we'll go over that and then we'll do problem solving. Problem solving, Keith is 2 inches shorter than his sister. If S represents his sister's height, what expression can you write that represents Keith's height? Okay, so what would we do?
2 plus S.
Well, what do we underline?
2 inches shorter.
2 inches shorter, right, than his sister. S is his sister, right? What expression can you write that represents Keith's height? So what am I going to do? Am I going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Subtract. So is S going to go first or later? First. So S, what? Minus 2. So that would be our expression. Could we go ahead and solve that? No, because do we know his sister's height? No. Okay, so S minus 2 will be our answer.